Hello, math buddies! Let's continue another fun lesson in the water park. Today we will be learning a new word, perimeter. We have already learned that the area means the space that is occupied inside a figure. Perimeter is the total length around a figure.
To find the perimeter of a shape, we add the total length to the sides of that shape. Once again, we can use a square grid paper to help us. Each side of the square unit is 1 centimeter. So the perimeter of the figure is 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. That equals to 10 centimeters.
Look at these figures of different shapes. What is the perimeter of the shapes we see? The perimeter of shape A is 10 centimeters. The perimeter of shape B is 12 centimeters.
What is the perimeter of this splash pool? Iggy, can you help to show us by using this rope?
The perimeter of this splash pool is 11 meters. We found that out by measuring the outside of the shape of the pool.
Let's do a quick review on area to see how perimeter and area are different. Look at this shape here. While area is the portion shaded green inside, perimeter is the length of the shape from the outside. The area of this figure is 5 square centimeters, while the perimeter of the figure is 12 centimeters. The unit for perimeter is centimeter, meter, or the unit of length of the square. Let's compare two more shapes. Shape A has an area of 5 square centimeters. Shape B also has an area of 5 square centimeters. Shape A has a perimeter of 12 centimeters. Shape B has a perimeter of 12 centimeters as well. Both shapes are different, but they have the same area and the same perimeter.
However, this may not always be the case. Let's look at these examples of X and Y. X has an area of 4 square meters. Y also has an area of 4 square meters.
Let's see if they also have the same perimeter. The perimeter for X is 8 meters. The perimeter for Y is 10 meters. The two shapes have the same area, but different perimeters.
In our next lesson, we are going to explore more perimeter and more of the water park as well. For now, let's do a little warm-up with this quiz.